Hello dear fans. What is the equator? From the late Latin language, the word equator, is translated as making it even or equalizer. So this exotic name has quite mundane geometric roots. In fact, this word can be used to refer to any line dividing something into equal parts. Necessary. The globe, maps of the hemispheres of the Earth, physical, climatic, natural zones. Instructions. Step 1. Most often, people associate the word equator with the middle zone of the Earth with a hot climate, where there are palms and many wild monkeys. This is the so-called equatorial climatic zone of the Earth, an area between 5 to 8 degrees north and 4 to 11 degrees south latitude. Directly the equator is a line encircling the globe, equidistant from its poles. It is formed from the imaginary intersection of the planet's surface by a plane passing perpendicular to the Earth's axis of rotation through its center. The length of the Earth's equator is 40,075.696 kilometers. The diameter of the Earth at the equator is 12,756 kilometers. On this line, day is always equal to night. On the days of the spring, March 21st, and autumn, September 23rd, equinox, the height of the sun at its zenith reaches a maximum point here, 90 degrees. From the equator line, the geographic latitude of the place begins from 0 to 90 degrees to the north and south poles, respectively, and the globe is conventionally divided into the northern and southern hemispheres. All parallel lines passing through points on the Earth's surface outside the equator are called Earth parallels. Step 2. The equatorial natural zone is the warmest on the planet. Here are the smallest daily and annual temperature changes. At a constant air temperature of +24, +28 degrees Celsius, on average, they are 2 to 3 degrees. At sea, fluctuations in general can be less than 10 C. A significant amount of precipitation, from 3,000 millimeters per year to 8,000 millimeters and more, exceeds evaporation, so the soils here are mostly swampy. In a humid climate, dense multi-tiered forests grow under constant rainstorms with thunderstorms. In the equatorial zone, up to half of all species of representatives of the flora and fauna of the Earth are found. In the countries of the equatorial climate zone, such exotic crops are cultivated as pineapples, bananas, cocoa, sago, and coconut palms. The tourism industry is well developed here. Step 3. In addition to the geographic equator, the celestial equator and the magnetic equator are also distinguished. The celestial equator refers to the great circle of the celestial sphere. The plane of this circle coincides with the plane of the Earth's equator and is perpendicular to both the axis of the world with the north and south poles, and to the axis of rotation of the Earth. The celestial equator is the basis for the equatorial celestial coordinate system. The magnetic equator is a closed line on the Earth's surface, inside which the intensity and inclination of the planet's magnetic field are zero. The geographic position of the Earth's magnetic equator, as well as the magnetic pole, is gradually changing all the time as a result of secular changes in the geomagnetic field. Thanks for watching.